Hi everyone, so today I'll be reviewing some Amazon slime and I'm really excited because this is actually really the first set of slime I've ever tried from Amazon, and it's from this brand right here, Joyjoz. Not really sure how to say that, but it's Joyjoz, and this is their Galaxy Slime Ball in 24 different colors, and I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, this is what the package looks like. It says all the information on the back, and so when you open it, it's really awesome. It comes with 24 different of the slimes, and so I actually already began playing with 2 of them. So it looks like most of them, or 18 of them, are kind of like this tie-dye kind. And so the rest down here, there are some clear ones, so that's fun. It's a good variety, but let's go ahead and look at all of them. And so it comes in this kind of sphere packaging, and there is a layer of plastic over all of them. So what I'm getting is that they are, really pretty. The pigments are really pretty, but it is not much of like a stretchy kind of slime. Now this was sitting out for a bit and it was cold outside, so that may have something to do with it. But yeah, if you want to stretch it, you kind of have to be a little more careful, but it is still doable. It's more of kind of like a putty texture, but it's still really fun to play with, and there's some pretty pigments in it. Like a fruity scent, and it smells really refreshing, so I am a big fan of the scent, and so that's nice. And so this one's really a nice clear green slime, has these fun little add-ins. Alrighty, so far I've looked at one of the clear ones, this one which I've previously opened, and then I opened this one on camera. And so I'll go ahead and open a few more just to kind of take a look at each one. So I opened one that's kind of like this red and blue combination. So what's really fun is they're all kind of like this galaxy swirl. And so I'll open, let's see, this one looks kind of different from the previous one I looked at. This one is a mix of purple, gold, and blue. to get better at stretching once I warm it up a bit more. So if I, play with it even longer, it'll probably warm up better and better. And so I also combined two of them. So I put one of the original, the first one, and then I added another one with it, and now it's really this cool metallic swirl. And so yeah, I really enjoy the texture. It's just kind of like more of a putty kind of feel. And it's not sticky at all, which I really like. Although it's not really like a slime that you can really stretch a whole lot, it's still a lot of fun, and I think the colors are really pretty. They also come in these really fun containers, these circle containers, and I think that just makes it look a lot cooler. Alrighty, so overall I opened 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of these, and I put 4 of these together, of the metallic swirl ones. These are all kind of the same. I already opened like one of each kind, but yeah, I really like how this slime is really holdable. And it's not sticky at all. There's no residue whatsoever. It also smells great. The scent is not too strong, but it's like a refreshing, kind of like fruity scent. And the metallic ones, I really like how pretty the shimmers are, and also the clear ones. The clear ones are really nice and clear, and they have some fun add-ins. But yeah, it's really holdable and fun to play with. This is great if you're looking for a slime that kind of just, is very holdable, and you can kind of take it anywhere. It also comes in this awesome, fun sphere packaging. It's definitely not the stretchiest, and it kind of takes a while to really get it stretchy, and you have to warm it up a bit. But again, that could be due to the weather, and I would totally recommend this slime. It's from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description as well as more details on this product. And yeah, thanks for watching.